Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate these cute Molang nails. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer pink. Use white painter polish to make a semicircle at your cuticle. Add 2 white ears above the head. Outline the head and ears with a dark brown. Use a large dotting tool to add 2 pink cheeks and a smaller dotting tool to add 2 brown eyes. Make a bunny nose with brown. Seal in your design with a top coat. For the second version of Molang, start out with the same white semicircle, but this time add some little arms on the sides in addition to the ears. Outline everything with a dark brown. Add 2 pink cheeks and then use brown to make 2 crescent eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Add a little dot of pink inside of the mouth. Use yellow to make 3 stars beside the bunny. Outline all of the stars with dark brown. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! Let me know in the comments below which other characters you'd like to see in this series. Thanks for watching!